Hi, I'm Stacy from WTI. Are you looking for the perfect summer sweater? We all know how hot it's been. It's still nice to wear a really nice sweater in case you're inside. This one from SySea is a beautiful acrylic and nylon sweater. I really love the halter styling of this sweater. It's really pretty. This is a bright reddish orange color, so it's perfect for summer. And the length of this really lends to being able to wear it not only with skirts, but also with pants. The sweater is nice because it's thin, so it's great for summer, but it also just provides a little bit of extra in case you're going to be in between hot outside and air conditioning inside. The sweater is really easy to wash. I've washed it several times and it's come out just like new. I lay it flat to dry just like the manufacturer suggests. It has some nice detailing around the edges with a small open seam on the sides, and so this is just a really cute and fun and easy sweater to wear. If you're looking for the perfect sweater that is going to help you during summer, this one is so beautiful. It is a really nice, easy to wear fabric. It's become one of my favorite pieces this year, and that's my point of view.